Look at that beautiful sunrise! It is morning and a very cool adventure is starting right now. Inside the house, the family is so excited. Mom, Dad, Leo, and Mia are packing their bags. They have bright swimsuits and cameras ready. Next stop, Hawaii! Now they're at the airport. The terminal is huge and very bright. They walk together and pull their colorful rolling suitcases. Check out those massive windows. The airplanes are ready for takeoff. And off they go! The white airplane is flying high above the clouds. Look out the window. The ocean below looks like a giant blue carpet. They step outside into the hot tropical sun. Aloha! A local host welcomes them with beautiful flower necklaces. Everyone has a huge smile. Welcome to paradise. Time for the beach. The sand is white and the water is brilliant turquoise. The tall palm trees are swaying in the wind. This place is amazing. Let's catch some waves. Dad and Leo are out on their bright surfboards. They look super focused. A wave is coming closer and closer. Whoops! They lose their balance and fall. Splash! It is a giant, funny wipeout, but they pop up and laugh out loud. Next up, an underwater adventure. Mom and Mia put on their colorful snorkel masks. They float in the clear water and check out a beautiful coral reef. Wow! A big school of tropical fish swims right past them. The fish are bright yellow and blue. Mom and Mia open their eyes wide. They are so surprised. Then they see something special. A giant green sea turtle swims slowly right towards the camera. It is so calm, so gentle, and so cool to watch. Time to explore the land. The family hikes on a dirt path deep inside the green forest. They walk under massive jungle leaves while the sun shines through the trees. Look at that! They find a towering waterfall crashing down into a clear pool. The air is cool and misty. It looks absolutely beautiful. After a long hike, it's time to eat. They sit around a rustic wooden table in the forest. They are all smiles because there is a huge plate of colorful fruit. Yum! Leo and Mia take giant, juicy bites of watermelon and pineapple, sweet juice and big smiles everywhere. Later, the evening sky changes completely. It is a breathtaking sunset over the sea. The sky is filled with brilliant orange, purple, and pink colors. The family sits close together on the warm sand watching the sunset. They are just happy and peaceful to be together. When night falls, the party starts. Traditional dancers in grass skirts perform the hula dance near a big, crackling bonfire. The warm firelight looks so cool in the dark. The trip is finished, and they are back at the airport terminal at night. They are pulling their bags, feeling a little sleepy, but they still have giant smiles on their faces. Now they are finally back home on their comfortable living room couch. Together, they open a big photo album. They look at their favorite beach picture and smile. Hawaii was the best trip ever.